Good job, babe. He said I never go to one of these.
He's going up one now.
Yeah, there he goes. Look, they have all the kids clothes up here.
Let me do that again. I need to do it again.
We're in a JCpenny.
Look, there's a bunch of girlfriends.
Huh?
Got pink one, orange. No.
Can I go right?
Yeah, we're gonna go back down. And then, hey, slow down. It's like grass, okay? Thank you. Be careful.
We're playing the troll song by NSYNC.
Just stand. You're good. Hey, slow down. Just ride it. Yeah, right. I'm starting to think maybe he's never been on one of these. Possible.
I don't want to go! I don't want to go!
Here it is, boss battle. I'm going in. So we're inside boss battle now. All these arcade games. Got a wristband. It was $15, but I had my family here, so it was 3, you get 1 free. And here's a Gauntlet game I've been dying to play. I'm gonna get on this. Let's see, how do you start? Right here. And then you tons of arcade games here to play. Killer Instinct, Mortal Kombat 3, Mortal Kombat 4, Marvel Capcom, and all these pinball games. And they even have some console games you can play, including Nintendo 64. Alright, I'm gonna go hop on a game and play. Amanda's over here playing Crazy Taxi, look at her. Get your fare to where it needs to go. Alright. I'm going to play Gauntlet. Let's see, where should I start? I'm gonna start off on the easy end and get those out of the way and just beat them. Sky World it is. Sky Dominion. Toxic spot. The better way to play this. I'm not quite sure what happened, but all of a sudden my character's a unicorn like a dream world. So that's cool. Hello friends and welcome to Edward Grable Studios. I'm Eddie Grable. Today I want to endorse a few things. I'm not sponsored by these things or anything. I just really enjoy them and I want to share them with you guys. The first thing I want to share is from a friend of mine from my track star days. He was one of my track mates, Marshawn Goodlow. He now operates a business called Baby Bear Burgers, and I go there probably like once a week to order this thing called the Pig Pile. It's an amazing flavor creation of a base of French fries covered in nacho cheese, and then it has pulled pork with barbecue sauce on top with cowboy beans as well, and it's topped off with some Fritos, and it's just an amazing flavor combination. If you're ever in Jackson, Michigan, stop by Baby Bear Burger and give it a try. The second thing I want to endorse, winter seems to be coming to an end here in Michigan, and it's bright outside, and I love it. I love the summertime, and I can't wait for this summer. I plan on getting some underwater shots with my GoPro because it's just something I really enjoy doing. But it's bright outside, and I got LASIK eye surgery while I was in the Marines, and my eyes are sensitive to light now, and I had to wear sunglasses, otherwise my eyes get strained out and I start to get a headache. And I'm endorsing Knockaround sunglasses because these sunglasses, they have so many to choose from on their website. Not only that, but they're super affordable, they're comfortable, and I've been talking to the people at Knockaround, I consider them my friends now basically, for about a year now. I've been trying to get them to make me a pair of ducktail glasses. I've given them that idea. Like, DuckTales is one of my favorite childhood shows, and I think it would be a super cool looking pair of sunglasses. All their sunglasses look really cool, but a ducktail pair, come on now. I also floated the Disney Afternoon pair, just all the cartoons from the Disney Afternoon, make a whole collection of it. And also, since I do a lot of woodworking, I floated them the idea of making a cool pair of safety glasses that I could always wear. And I'd just like to give Knockaround sunglasses a big shout out. The third thing I'd like to endorse is Republica Mushroom Coffee. That's the brand I drink. I mean, you could try any type of mushroom coffee. So I was a little bit skeptical at first because it's mushroom coffee. You think it's going to taste like mushroom. It doesn't. It tastes like coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, which I wasn't, I mostly drink tea. But this mushroom coffee, it helps clear up a lot of the brain fog I have. And there's like 7 different types of mushrooms with properties that help me out and get me going. And so if you're on the fence about trying out some mushroom coffee, I say go for it. It's better than regular coffee, for sure. Well, now it's time for me to get inside here and get started, so let's go. So what I've done here is taken my A and B runners and I laid them on the board because they're going to be about the same height. And I've struck a line all the way across here. And I'm going to make it a little big still so I can sneak up on it so it fits in here like machine tight.
from Boston.
See, it's a little thick still, not quite fitting, but it's good. I'll speak up on that. Next, I'm going to cut off the end so it fits. I think that's close enough. I'm gonna knock down this top now a little bit lower. Little line right there. Just a little bit of shading. Set this down real quick. It's pretty close. It's not gonna fit. We want it. I'm gonna shave a little more. So I'm gonna move on to my other drawers and get them close before I hand plane everything down to a tight fit. Let's go put this saw away. Alright, so I got my bottom drawer fitted. And it looks nice. Now, I think I want to do the top drawer, even though I said I didn't want to fit them yet. I'm confused. What do I do? Decisions. Let's just go for it.
Excellent!